Yeah, I had to break out my gloves because it's so cold.
Yeah, we're in the 30s. It's not going to get out of the 30s today. It was just snowing.
Yep. My favorite.
Well, that was a fun road to get up.
Right?
But this place is worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always love a good riverside campsite.
Creekside
campsite.
Whatever.
Whatever. Water.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel.
Hi, Marisa.
I'm Brian.
Oh, and we are in the middle of February, in the middle of a cold snap, and we decided to be crazy and come out camping.
Yeah, we got about a 24-hour window. Maybe snow might be coming in the morning.
Who knows?
Who knows? We don't care. Actual winter might be showing up finally. But we brought the truck out, and actually we brought the warming hut too.
Because it is really cold.
Frigid, so whatever.
I've got multiple layers, my big coat, and my gloves.
Yeah.
It's cold.
But this is our third or fourth time staying at the spot. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we brought the trailer here, and then
when it dumped rain, remember?
Yeah.
There was like that big mud puddle right there.
Yep, and then all the way back with our 4Runner with the rooftop tent on it.
Yep.
We're like,
I think this is the first time in the truck, though. 3
or 4 years. Yeah. First time in the truck.
All right. Well, this campsite is trashed from tree limbs and all sorts of debris because there was a big windstorm a little while back ago. So we're gonna clean up and get set up and get the fire going.
Let's go. Alright, got the bed set up. Oh, so comfy. So much room, so comfy. Highly recommend this tent. Love it. Kali King. And we definitely don't get paid to say it. Right.
I'm going fishing.
Yeah, you got a live one. What'd you get?
I got a toilet seat. Everyone's favorite.
Hey, everybody needs it. All right, I think we're set up. Have to make some lunch. For some reason, always at this campsite, I love the rake. Just rake everything all up. Make everything all nice. Cover up the mud puddle there. I did take 2 big old rocks out of that old fire pit. Last time we were here, we had a fire over here. That was our first time with the trailer. And it was a soaker. Yeah. Yeah. Would you like to go on a nature walk?
Sure.
Awesome.
Let me
nature hour.
bundle up here.
Yeah. Had a couple sandwiches and yeah. It's what did it say? 38, 35?
38 feels like 30.
32? Yeah.
AKA cold AF.
Yeah, you could say that.
And he hasn't even put the warming hut up for me yet.
Nope. Yeah, it's supposed to feel like 25 in a couple hours, so. We got the winter warming hut. Oh, happy wife, happy life.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
It was starting to get a little too cold.
Yep. Starting to feel like that 25.
Yeah.
And when we take our hut, we can just take the howl out there and save some room.
Yeah. I know that big fire pit in there is always hard to compete with.
Yeah, big time. Probably should turn it down a little bit.
Yeah, probably a little bit more. I mean, right now it's putting out like it feels really good.
Yeah. That's better.
Yep. It's gonna suck when I have to get out of here to go cook.
Oh yeah. It is about that time.
Dinner time?
Dinner?
Dinner?
Yep. What are we having?
We are doing, obviously, roasted potatoes. And then we're going to make a little something different tonight. I got some chicken breast. And we're going to grill it up with some salt and pepper. And then we're going to put ham and Swiss cheese, so kind of like a grilled chicken cordon bleu.
Anything else from in here?
No, I don't think so.
Spatula, nothing?
No.
Little plate?
Nope.
Yeah.
We will need that to cut our chicken.
Well, Marisa was getting stuff ready. I hooked up the diesel heater, ready for it to cook us.
Here you go.
Woo!
There's some of that sauce too, if you want it.
All right, chicken cordon bleu and diced potatoes. Let's go. Oh,
Yum.
that a good man.
Yeah, it was
Very
really
good,
good.
man.
Pretty easy.
Yep. Well, this night went flying by.
Mm-hmm.
So, relaxed in their
Warming
tent.
hut.
Yeah.
Yeah, the howl campfire worked pretty good in there. We had it down on like the lowest setting on like the propane even, and it was still putting out some good heat.
I like it.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna go to bed. See you in the morning.
Yep. See you in the AM.
See you.
Bye.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning. Well, we woke up to some snowfall. Surprise, surprise.
Early.
Yeah, because it wasn't supposed to start until like
11?
11. Yeah. And it was 7:30 when we woke up-ish. So, but we're kind of
pretty though.
We're kind of protected right here, so we were able to pack up pretty quickly. And
yeah, our main thing was the tent, because anybody with a tent knows
you don't want to leave it wet.
You don't want to wet. So we put a little elbow grease in there and just
a little hustle.
Got it done. Hustle.
Yep, teamwork.
Makes the whatever.
Yeah. But
anyways,
we're going to head out of here, go down to Randall, grab a coffee, hit the road home, and
start this coastal camping series.
Yeah.
Tune in next week.
Oh boy, I wonder what we have in store.
I don't know. Make sure you like,
subscribe,
comment,
and turn on your notifications. We have a video every Friday at 7 a.m.
Yeah. All right.
We'll see you on the next one.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.